Now, TVJ Sports understands that Sasha Henry has handed in her resignation as co-coach of Jamaica's Sunshine Girls. Here's Karen Madden.
It's not yet known when Henry's resignation will take effect, but it's understood it was sent to Netball Jamaica's offices on Monday. Efforts to reach both Henry and the Netball Jamaica president, Dr. Paula Daly Morris, by phone on Friday were unsuccessful. However, our efforts to contact them are continuing. It's understood that Netball Jamaica has a board meeting scheduled for this Saturday, and it's expected that Henry's resignation will be fully discussed at that meeting. It's understood Henry is not pleased with her present salary package and also the co-coaching arrangement and would prefer to operate in a single head coaching capacity. Henry and the co-coach Marvett Anderson were appointed interim coaches last August following the resignation of the previous head coach Jermaine Allison McCracken in July. Henry and Anderson then led the Sunshine Girls to a second-place finish at the Fast 5 Championship in Australia last October. In March of this year, Netball Jamaica decided to continue with the co-coaching arrangement and subsequently offered both Henry and Anderson 6-month contracts to lead the Sunshine Girls to a quad series in New Zealand and last month's Commonwealth Games in Gold Coast, Australia, where the Sunshine Girls copped the bronze medal. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.